I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the safety features with this car include lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It has 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 9,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.